The iconic Pool Blaster Max, long the benchmark for pool cleaning efficiency, has been transformed. Introducing the new iVac M3. The iVac M3 epitomizes state-of-the-art technology with the next generation of pool blasters, the iVac series of pool and spa vacuums. It works without hoses or electrical connections, and it's completely independent from your pool's filtration system. Every detail of the Pool Blaster iVac M3 has been carefully thought out to maximize efficiency, performance, and convenience. With its beautifully sculpted clear debris chamber, the rechargeable Pool Blaster iVac M3 features a high-flow pump and industry-leading suction. You'll have more than 2 times the debris capturing capacity of the standard Pool Blaster Max. The iVac M3 is powered by an environmentally safe, rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery, giving you up to an hour of continuous use on a single charge. The vacuum features an all-new quick charger, which will recharge the battery in as little as 3 to 4 hours. An indicator light turns from red to green when fully charged. The Pool Blaster iVac M3 will compact gravel, dirt, leaves, and other types of debris into its reusable filter bag, easily filtering your pool water of small and large debris. With its optional micro filter bag, the vacuum will filter sand, silt, and even algae from your pool. It also cleans leaves, twigs, and acorns. The unit will work in all pools, spas, hot tubs, above-ground pools, and in-ground pools. When you are finished cleaning, just rinse out its easy-to-empty debris chamber and filter. The Pool Blaster iVac M3 can be attached to any standard pool pole for extended reach cleaning. Powerful vacuum suction, lightweight, and easy to handle. The Pool Blaster iVac M3 is the latest in pool cleaning technology. Let the iVac M3 do the dirty work. It's time you experience the new Pool Blaster iVac M3 Pool and Spa Vacuum, the perfect solution for cleaning your pool or spa.